Welcome back to Free From Foods. Today we're making something extra special. Dubai-style chocolate samosas, completely gluten-free and irresistibly crunchy. Let's get started. First, we're lightly roasting our kanafa to bring out that golden crispy texture. Perfect for our samosa filling. Next up, we're kneading our gluten-free dough, soft, pliable, and ready to hold all that chocolatey goodness. Add water gradually. Dough should be like that. Now for the star of the show, creamy pistachio butter mixed with rich Nutella. This combo is pure magic. Time to fill our samosas. Fold them into perfect triangles and fry until golden and crispy. That sizzle means perfection. Let's melt our chocolate. 30 seconds in the microwave. Stir then another 30 seconds for that silky smooth dip. Now, the fun part, dip those crispy samosas in melted chocolate. Sprinkle with crushed pistachios and let them set in the fridge. Once chilled, it's time to indulge. Crispy, chocolatey, and 100% gluten-free. These Dubai chocolate samosas are a dream come true.